But as one of my mentors said, don't be afraid of obstacles, because you will have obstacles. When obstacles appear, that's the time to focus on the goal. So understand, you will always be faced with great obstacles. And whenever you are about to do great things, great obstacles will appear. Now, the greatest thing you can do is free your mind. Mastering your mind is one of the greatest obstacles you will ever face. Your job is to believe and have faith. Faith. Have faith. See, faith doesn't remove obstacles. Faith helps you move through obstacles. Have faith, because you're going to be faced with obstacles. And that is why it's important to take the time to focus on these mindset mastery trainings, because it has been proven to be one of the master keys, as I said. Now, unfortunately, not everyone will take the initiative to improve their mindset.